Now, you should have already watched the Saving Files video, but if you don't remember that, you need to go back and make sure you watch it again or as many times as you need to, or you can open the document Saving a File lecture just so you have it. Remember, it's always a good idea to take notes as we work through things. You should have already completed your files and folders information. When you do, you are going to click Next. Now we are moving on to our first assignment. Our first assignment is to complete the GCF Learn Free document on the gcflearnfree.org. So first we need to open our document. Remember, we open our document by clicking on the file, then clicking Open. Remember, we have to always enable our document for editing so that we can save it. Now, I want you to go click File, Save As. Make sure you choose your desktop because remember, Windows automatically saves everything to its documents library when you just click Save. So you've got to choose your file location to save to. So click Desktop, double click on the folder with your name to it. Again, this does not have a separate folder like our other document, so just click File Basics GCF Learn Free and then put dash and your name. Make sure you capitalize the first letter of your first and last names because it's a proper noun. Notice that we know we saved a Word document in here before, but that document was a 97 to 2003 Word document. This is a Word 2010 document, so it's not going to show up because this file type that we're saving is a Word document. You'll see it in just a moment. Now that you've had your file saved, in order to put your answers in, you first must go back to Canvas. Click on your link that's going to pop up in a new window. As you read through your information, you're going to have to answer your document. So once you see the answer, you're going to go. There are many different types of, go back to your Word document. There are many different types of files you can use. So in order to type your answer, you're going to double click on the line. Then you're going to go up to your font dialog box on the ribbon. This is the ribbon in Microsoft Word. The ribbon is what allows you to access all the tools that you're going to need in order to work within Word or PowerPoint. Then you're going to click your drop down arrow and choose one of the red standard colors. And then you're going to type your answer, Files. Well, make sure that after you do your answers, you click Save. Double click. Put in your answer. Continue throughout as you answer all the questions, double clicking on each line. Notice that double clicking creates the whole select. It makes that whole line selected. How do we know that something's been selected? It turns blue, just like you see it here. Then, when you're done, you save it a final time. Make sure you've saved it. Close it out. But now we have it on our desktop, but we want to upload that file to Canvas. How do we do that? Well, the first thing you do is you go to Settings in Canvas. I'm in here as a test student, so mine is not here. I'm going to leave the student view for now so that I can show you how to do this. So in Canvas, up there where your name is, where you can see where you normally log out, you'll click Settings. And under Settings, you should see Files over on the left side. So you're going to click Files. These are your personal files in Canvas. Here is where you're going to do something very, very simple. You can click Add Files. You will add file. Here's where you're going to choose your desktop. Then you will double click on your folder. Then you double click, make sure you're double clicking on the right one. Don't choose Files and Folders information. That's that document that we used before to highlight. We want File Basics. Make sure you're choosing the right document. This is so important. Double click on the name of your document. See, it says Uploading File. And now your document is located on Canvas. So should you, for any reason, not have it or need it at home, you now have it on Canvas where you can access it at any time. Now you may ask, okay, so what do I do with my other one? For now, we're going to leave it there. But eventually, we will delete those files. Now that we've uploaded our file to Canvas, we need to go back and submit our document. So we're going to go back to our courses, click on Courses. You're going to go back to your assignments. You can either click Assignments here, or you can scroll down till you see your assignment. Too far. File Basics. Click on the name of your assignment. Now, in order to submit, yours looks a little bit different than mine. I'll go back to Student View for you to see that. To submit the assignment, you're going to go back to the assignment first. Then you're going to click Submit Assignment. Then it's going to say Upload a file. Choose a file that you've already uploaded. So browse. You can choose it from your desktop. Normally this would be available to choose a file, but where it says choose a file you've already uploaded would be in blue. For mine, because I'm a test student, it's not showing up as blue, but you could click here, which would take you to your Canvas site. But you'll browse. You can choose the one from your Canvas site, or you can double click on your folder, double click here on File Basics, open your document, and now we know that it's been attached here, and we can click Assignment, Submit Assignment. Once you've submitted your assignment, it will show that you've turned in your assignment and your submission details, and if I've made any comments. Should you make a mistake and need to resubmit your assignment, you would click Resubmit Assignment and continue the same process. Remember that the red folder that's in between all of the computers has the documents that you need in it to go back and review how to do everything in Canvas.